Andrew Santino, White Noise. Andrew Santino returns with a special from Minneapolis. He has a podcast called Whiskey Ginger, and he's also on the Bad Friends podcast with his friend Bobby Lee. His special definitely isn't for sensitive viewers. He opens with a witty, inward-related chunk of material you can tell he very skillfully crafted. His sets typically walk a very fine racial line, and this set isn't any different. The set is full of a lot of racial stereotypes with good jokes associated. It's definitely a personal observations type of set. It does have a bit of airplane humor, which is just one of my pet peeves to never have in a set. It's a professional set with multiple tags, a good amount of act outs, and a lot of impressions. The crowd work is more in terms of his delivery style than directly asking questions and bantering back and forth with the audience. As long as you don't get offended by witty racial humor, you will like it. I recommend it. Until next time, I'm out.